In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a list of companies' employees from LinkedIn to Excel. As an example, we will be exporting employees of the Whirlpool Corporation as shown on the screen. Don't forget to click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, make sure to click the subscribe button to receive bot tutorials from us in the future. Let's start. To extract Whirlpool employees from LinkedIn to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn Company Employees Finder. You can find the link to the bot in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Enter the bot name, LinkedIn Company Employees Finder, into the search bar. Click on the bot name. The LinkedIn Company Employees Finder page will open. Click on the green button. Name your job, for example, Whirlpool Employees. Paste the company's LinkedIn profile URL. Set the number of employees to export. As an example, let's extract 100 employees. Specify your target country, for example, the United States. Select if you'd like to export the company's current employees, past employees, or both. Specify how you'd like the bot to sort the results. By default, historically, recently left coming first, or recently joined coming first. Select how you'd like the bot to notify you when the job is done. Available options include email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, and Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Now you can see the bot running. Once the bot is finished, you'll see the blue completed sign. To download the extracted results as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file, click on the desired icon. To view the extracted results online, click on View Data. Let's view the results online. Look what we have. A convenient spreadsheet with Whirlpool employees' LinkedIn profiles, names, followers count, occupations, profile headlines, summaries, countries, states, and cities where they work. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Create a free account on Botster and get access to the LinkedIn Company Employees Finder and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to catch our future content on automation. See you in the next video.